We are here at 23 Terra Linda in San Rafael. The front here is to a 2-car garage, and we'll go into the home. It is a ranch style home, all on one level. Through the entry here, hardwood floors throughout, nice big entry closet here. To the right, we see the kitchen, a nice KitchenAid refrigerator, and we have a Bosch dishwasher, double sink, gas range, double oven here, KitchenAid, and then we have some more cabinetry here, and then we have the attached garage. As you can see here, this will all be emptied. And you will have a lot of nice storage in here. Dining room, which leads nicely into the living room, and you can see gas fireplace here. Beautiful outdoor here. Backyard with the deck and lawn. The family room connects up very nicely. And we'll come back through here to the bedrooms. We have a half bath powder room here. And then to the right, we have the master bedroom, which is a good size, can fit a California king. Again, you can see the backyard here and a nice walk-in closet. Good size here with an Alpha system there. The master bathroom suite. And then out in the hallway, we have the full bath with the bathtub as well. The second bedroom, guest bedroom here. You can see here another nice closet system set up. And then we'll go down the hallway here. Nice storage here. Pantry. Great storage. Dedicated laundry room here. And that's Kenmore. And then to the right we have the second guest bedroom. Again, which faces out to the street here. All bedrooms have nice closet systems in the closets. And then the last bedroom is here. Guest bed. Again, nice closet system as well. And that's 23 Terra Linda.